I am Dr. Natarajan from Kodumudi. I am doing allopathy practice at Kodumudi for the last 40 years. Today, we are going to see an important topic, that is how to prepare Panchagavya from cow's 5 products. Today, we are going to demonstrate how to produce Panchagavya. For producing Panchagavya, approximately for 20 liters of Panchagavya, we need the following things. Cow dung. This is cow dung from a desi cow. Cow dung 5 kilos, and then cow's urine 3 liters, and cow's milk 2 liters, boiled and cooled milk, and then curd, cow's curd 2 liters, and then ghee 1 liter, and jaggery 1 kilo, and then tender coconut water 2 liters, 3 liters, and then banana, ripe banana fruits 12 numbers, that is 12 fruits, 5 fruits, and then toddy 2 liters. Now we will see how to prepare. The first step is you have to put the cow dung into a barrel or a packet, plastic packet or plastic barrel, and you have to add the cow's ghee and mix it thoroughly, and we have to keep it for 3 days. On the 4th day, we add rest of things, and we have to stir it twice daily and keep it for 15 days. After first 3 days and then 15 days, after 18 days, the Panchagavya will be ready for use. Now we will demonstrate how to prepare. Now I am adding this cow dung. The cow dung is from desi cow, Kangayam cow in our area. Next, we are adding the cow's ghee. One liter cow's ghee. And we have to mix it thoroughly with our hands, bare hands. See? Mix it thoroughly and keep it for 3 days and close the packet. Every day you can again stir it once or twice daily and keep it for 3 days. You will close the bucket. Otherwise the houseflies, they will lay their eggs on the solution. It will produce maggots, worms. On the 4th day, we add the cow's urine, desi cow's urine, 3 liters urine. And then cow's milk, 2 liters, boiled and cooled milk. Next we add this cow's curd. Then you add jaggery. You can mix the jaggery with 1 clove jaggery with 3 liters of water. Otherwise, you put the jaggery into the drum and add 3 liters of water later. Now we are adding water. Adding water. And you add 3 liters of tender coconut water. Then you add banana fruits, 1 dozen. Just smash the fruits. The fruits must be ripe. This unripe fruit must be ripe. Must be mashed in the hands and put into the solution. 1 dozen fruits. Next, we add 2 liters of toddy. In some areas, toddy is not available. Then how to prepare toddy? You keep 2 liters of tender coconut water in a wet bottle. Close it tightly, and then you keep it for 1 week. It will ferment and become toddy. That can be used. That is very easy to make toddy. Now, you thoroughly mix the solution. Mix the solution and close the bucket or drum and keep it for 15 days. Daily, morning and evening, you have to stir it with your hands or some poles. Daily, you have to stir it. After 15 days, the Panjabi will be ready. First 3 days and then 15 days, totally 18 days. On the 19th day, it will be ready for use. Then you have to use it. Can be used as a 3% solution for spraying. 3% solution means 30 ml of Panjabi 1 liter of water or 300 ml of Panjabi in 10 liters of water or 3 liters of Panjabi in 100 liters of water. That is 3%. Then can be used for spraying, for with the drip irrigation, root feeding, and then for seed treatment and sealing treatment. This Panjabi solution can be kept safely for nearly 6 months, up to a maximum 6 months. Can be used, no problem. It will be very effective for plants, animals and human beings also. It's a very useful product from our native cow. Our cow is the Gomada. It gives all the riches. After finishing everything, just close it and keep it for safety. Otherwise, the houseflies will sit on the solution and it will lay their eggs. It will produce the maggots and worms. So, you have to keep it closed.